What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to install a simple door handle on your cabinets. Real easy to do. All you need is a drill, a 5/16 drill bit, and obviously a regular Phillips head tip. And you're going to need a tape measure and a pencil. So let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you're going to do is you have your cabinet. This is a pull-out drawer, 24-inch base cabinet with a 23.5-inch drawer. So basically half of 23.5 is 11 and 3/4. So there's 11 and 3/4. Now you're going to take your handle, you're going to measure your handle, and my handle is 7.5 inches. So that's going to be 3 3/4. Hey, boo boo. So right here is 3 3/4. You're going to mark a little mark on your handle, your door pull. Yeah. Now that is erasable, so you're not doing any harm. So what I do is, now I'm not measuring inside of the face because this is a very thin cabinet. When I say thin, the mark between here and here is very thin. My etching, or my insert here that they created when they did all of the millworking, is very thin. It's about 1 inch. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to take this, put this here, mark both of our lines, get them, both of them right in the center of each other. And then when we get it lined up, now I'm just eyeballing this. You can get out the level if you want. And all I'm doing is very lightly marking the tops of my my holders here that accept the screw from inside of the drawer. So now let's go ahead and let's drill these out with our drill. Put something down to catch the sawdust that you're going to be putting into the drawer. Locate your drill holes. Alright, now we're ready to put the handle on. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our screws through. And it might need a little force. And you might have to empty the drawer. Now, this is not much of a tap, it's just a tap with your hammer. That little splinter there, now this is good that that happened on film, because if it didn't happen on film, you're not going to know what to do. So we have a razor knife, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to hold it right here and we're going to cut right there. See that? So it's still, watch when I put on the, alright, whatever could happen, what happened? Battery on the camera shut off. Anyways, as you can see, I took a razor knife and went over around it. Now, our handle is going to cover that up. So you're not going to see either the top or the bottom splint that just happened. So we're going to take our handle. As soon as I can locate it now. Screw gun from the inside here. Now you only want to screw in just a little bit at a time. You don't want to screw in one side. Alright. Now you can see we don't have anything showing around there. Really nicely done. Thanks for